project, we had a confined, tight kitchen that was dark, gloomy, didn't function well. We had a sink shoved over in the corner where there was no movement at all to the left side. So the object was to open up the kitchen by removing a common wall to the family room, create an open concept kitchen, and give her really a beautiful chef's kitchen with a large island with a lot of amenities. First thing was to remove the wall that was the common wall to the family room and the kitchen. Where the wall was removed, the island was going to be placed in that location. The old cabinets were outdated 70s. The new cabinets are countryside, maple mocha stain with rectangular crown cap molding, a valance molding under the bottom of the wall cabinets for LED. The light valance molding is there to dress up the cabinetry, but also to conceal the LED strip lighting so that it's not obviously seen. The backsplash was Bliss Element strip glass mosaic. It's a linear mosaic. Countertop she chose was white ornamental granite with eased square edges. The island was made to look like a piece of furniture. It had 4 large 6x6 inch posts for legs at the corners. It also housed her wine refrigerator and also her garbage recycle bin. The original lighting in the whole first floor was very dimly lit with minimal light fixtures. We added approximately 10 cans to the whole living room and kitchen to give her nice uniform lighting. In the old kitchen, there was a built-in pantry closet that had a dilapidated bifold door that drove the homeowners nuts. The new one was actually a built-in cabinet piece made by the cabinet company with roll-out trays that the homeowner was thrilled to have, that worked properly and served her needs. The old sink location was really pinched tight all the way into the corner where the other countertop had started to go in the opposite direction. And also the refrigerator was there that came out into the sink space where she would stand, and so it was so confined and so tight that we were able, with the new plan, move it out about a foot away, move and relocate the refrigerator to the opposite end of the kitchen. Now she has working space and she's not pinched on her left side. Overall, we accomplished the plan and the concept to give her an open concept kitchen with a nice, beautiful island with bar stool seating, relocated her appliances to where the kitchen functioned 100% better than the old one, and the homeowners were thrilled with the final result, as was I.